So, primero paso, añadir aceite y ajo a la sartén. I don't have garlic.
Thought everything was ready.
I forgot we needed garlic close up.
I tell you. Just smash them up. With a knife. You want to use it?
I'm trying not to laugh.
You want all?
I don't know how much.
That's fine. Just do it. Just do it. No!
Oh!
What the fuck?
Here,
God.
3.
Oh well, I'm making a YouTube video out of this shit. Huh? Huh? Pay attention to what you're doing for yourself.
Okay. Okay. Segundo paso, cocinar el pollo hasta el marrón en la sartén.
Say el pollo.
El pollo. La sartén.
Pay attention.
Oh, is that good?
Are you guys excited to eat some Filipino food?
Yes.
Careful.
Putting his thumbs off.
Mommy, look at this. Mommy,
Tercera paso, añadir 2 hojas de laurel y los cebollas.
¿Qué es esto?
Cuarto paso, meter la soya de salsa en la sartén. Quinto paso, añadir medio agua y vinagre hasta de comer el pollo. Vinagre. Agua. Sexta paso, hervir por 12 minutos. Séptima paso, añadir las papas. Paso la final, hervir hasta las papas estar suave.